Cold beer! Cold beer! Cold beer! Cold beer!
But first, I gotta mow. It's been 3 weeks, man. I guess it's been raining its butt off up here. It is thick. It's a little chilly out today and misty. It's threatening rain. It's supposed to rain all freaking day, but my God, this stuff is, it's probably 1.5 feet tall. So I gotta get out here and do what I can before the rain comes, because I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do it tomorrow. Catch y'all back in a minute. How you doing? Welcome back to Cold Beer Ranch. Let me show you the little bit of plumbing that we got done. Where am I even at in this video? I don't even know. So sorry if it's a little bit dark in here, but as you can see, they've got a lot of the vent lines ran. So this is from the sink in the extra bathroom, and that's just a vent line, a main vent line for the whole system. And they run up the walls all the way up to the top here, and they're gonna exit out the side of the barn door over here, then go up through the roof on the carport area. So we're not gonna put any holes in the ceiling here. It's gonna be in the carport area, just in case there's any type of leakage. We don't have to worry about that. But I think you can get a good understanding. They did a really good job. Shower, toilet, sink's gonna be right here. So you get the idea. And then also over here in the kitchen, you can see where the kitchen sink is gonna go right there. So this is the vent line for that. And they're having to get creative here, so it goes up, over, ties into the laundry area, which is here. So this is your washer hookup, got the P-trap, and then the vent goes up here, and then, da-da-da-da, the vent line is up here in the loft area. Comes all the way over there, traveling all the way over to here. Right here, they're gonna go up and then along the ceiling and then out the side right here. So there'll be no penetrations in the roof, so no opportunities for leakage. And then here is the master bathroom. There's a sink that's gonna be right here in this area, another sink in this area, toilet and shower. And he's already got this vent tied in as well. So this vent goes up through the ceiling right here and then ties into that one that goes along the loft area. It's gonna ultimately go out over here. So making some pretty good progress. Want to thank Corey and his team for coming in and taking care of this plumbing. There's no way I could have done this. This needs to be done right. We don't want any poo backing up into the house. So this needs to flow the right way. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again. Hey, look, you can see that vent line up there. There you go. So it goes from the laundry room and goes all the way over there, and then it's gonna shoot out the side. So no penetrations in the ceiling. Not gonna worry about that. Anyways, closing the video out. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. More exciting stuff coming. I'd say within a week, we're gonna have all the PEX run, and I'll be able to bring you along and show you that. Then we're gonna do electrical. Once electrical's done, we can start putting up sheetrock and all that kind of stuff. So it's moving along. It's slow but steady. So appreciate you guys coming along for the journey. We'll see you on the next one.